I looked up this politician. I think some of you might know them. I thought, we're going to call them right now. And I thought we could all kind of have like a little town hall, and you could tell this person what you think of them right now over the phone. Those were your constituents, and this message was brought to you by James Tellerico's campaign. Release the Epstein files, and go fuck yourself. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.